Whenever you're ready.
Hi, I'm Haley, and this summer our USP team will be traveling to Baltimore to work with a women's outreach program, and we hope to instill the love of Christ and share His love as well as building relationships throughout the community.
Love is a verb, it ain't a thing. It's not something you own, it's not something you scream. When you show me love, I don't need your words. Yeah, love ain't a thing. Love is a verb, love ain't a thing. Love is a verb. Love ain't a crutch, it ain't an excuse.
Hi, my name is Micah. This summer I'm going to be doing USP in Chicago, and we're going to be doing a vacation Bible school for the children there. We're just going to be showing God's love by showing them that God loves them no matter what.
Yeah, love ain't a thing. Love is a verb. Love ain't a thing. Love is a verb. So you gotta show me. Show me. Love is a verb. Yeah, you gotta show me. Show me. Love is a verb. Love ain't a thing. Love is a verb.
Sounds a new beginning as distant hearts begin believing.
My name is Matthew, and I'm going to Chicago this summer for USP, and we're going to be doing a vacation Bible school. And we're just going to show God's love by being there for the kids and having a great time and just doing fun activities and just teaching them about the Lord.
Your love goes on. Carry us when the world gives way. Cover us with your endless grace. Love is relentless. Love is relentless.
Hi, I'm Aubrey, and I am serving on the USP Women's Baltimore team. This summer we're going to be able to go out to Baltimore and reach out to the women and the people in the community, and we're really excited to see what God has in store for our team.